Hello friends, welcome to Teach Tutorial Now. Please subscribe the Teach Tutorial Now and press the bell icon button so you will never miss any video from us. So today's we are going to create padding in embedding slideshow. So friends, let's start the video. First, open Play Store and install the one app named Love Photo Slideshow with music. Okay, open this app and download this one app. Friends, I have already installed this app and then I open this app. After this, friends, you will find out the interface like this and click on the play button. Then friends, there is a two option, create video and album. Then click on the create video and after that choose your photo. Okay, so I choose my wedding photo. Just click on the photo and it will select. Okay, so my all photos are selected. After processing and click on the done button. And if you want to edit, friends, you can edit. There you can see pencil button. Click on the pencil button and you can add background to your image like this or like this. You just drag your image and you can make bigger and smaller, just pressing finger, and after that click on the right button. You can edit all images and after this click on the done button. Friends, I just make voice slow so you will hear me properly. So friends, there is a 2 second, 2.5 second. That means how many times you want to show your photo. Suppose I will select 3 seconds, so my photo will display 3 seconds of the screen. So friends, I just make bigger, make sound loud, and you can add any effect like this or like this. Okay, so and then you can add frame here. There you can see the frame, lots of frames. You can add any frame to your video. And after that, for music, just you can see the music icon and click on the music icon. Then you can choose your music, whatever music in your device, they will appear here. You can select any music of your choice and click on the here under the box. Okay, and after this click on the done button. So friends, you can see my whole video is ready in just only 1 minute because I was teaching you, that's why it's taken 2-3 minutes. So the video is finally complete and it's so beautiful effect, and you can add any effect of your choice. There is lots of effect, and after this click on the done button. Your video will begin to downloading. Friends, hope you enjoy this video. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. This is the most important. Thank you so much for watching.